I'm trying to explain my BTech project, which is a home security system. I'll walk you through with the hardware specification first. This is what you're seeing is the main board, that is the main thing which is installed in our house, and this is the supplementary board which is right here, which is present in neighbor's house. Okay. First, let me get to the hardware specifications. What I have here is an AVR series of Atmega 16 with a development board right there. It has an 16:2 LCD screen with a power supply running, and there is a Bluetooth control module there, a, a buzzer, a NOT gate converter, a PIR sensor, and here is a motor driver for the motor right here, and there is a transmitter, RF transmitter, and here is a receiver, and yes, there is also a keypad right down there. Actually, the LCD screen which you're seeing right here should be going through here and getting pasted to here, but due to some technical difficulties I couldn't do that. And here is the gate as the main entrance, which you can see. Okay, now I'm going to turn on the power and show you how it works. Okay, I've turned on the display, the power. Here you can see that the Bluetooth control is blinking. It indicates that it is ready to get paired, and here it says press B code 1. I don't know which you can see or not, maybe it's too bright. Yes, but it says press B code 1. So now I'm going to take my Android device, which is having an app called Blue Control, and what it's going to do basically is that it'll send some ASCII values to that receiver, right, to that receiver Bluetooth module there, and which in turn gets recorded there and accepts the code. So yes, I'm gonna send. I have a password which says ABCD. I don't know, it's there, but my camera cannot focus, but it's A, B, and C. Okay, first I have to pair, of course. Yes, here it is there. I've paired. Yes, it will turn to red. It means that it has been paired. So here I click A. It says to B. Okay, B and C. It says B code received, and it will welcome. And after that, it will ask another code, that is keypad code, which is right here. And the keypad code and the LED also lights up to tell that there you have to press an keypad code. The keypad code is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, once you have pressed the code, which is correct, and here the gate opens and the gate closes automatically. The internal light gets on and the PIR sensor is turned off. Now I'm going to show you again when we breach the PIR and someone try to access our house using this too. Okay, I'm going to restart this. Yes. Okay, it is from the beginning. Now I'm going to turn on my another board. Okay, this says welcome to home security system, as you can see properly. It's too bright to understand what it says, but yes, it asks for a Bluetooth code. When I enter all these things correctly, there is no error in here, but when I try to access the house from this gate, trying to breach the gate like this, the PIR right here gets activated, and it sends that someone thief is trying to access, and from here it also says someone broke into the house. So excuse me, the transmitter from here transmits the signal. The receiver gets a signal and tells that someone broke into the house. So that is how the security is maintained. Okay, coming to the hardware description, This is the main board. The board has a AVR microcontroller, AVR Atmega 16, which has 16 kilobytes of RAM or flash RAM, so that you can store a program. Here is the LCD screen. It's a 16 by 2. It can display up to 16 by 2 X and Z directions. We also have 7805 regulator, a TC regulator which gives out 5 volts taking in 9 volts from here. Here we have a serial port, that is RS232 max 232 IC to convert those negative and positive 11 volts to 5 volts. Here is the board. You can detach this LCD screen as well. Coming to the other board, it is also Atmega series of AVR Atmega 16, a motor driver, LCD screen, a different version of it, but almost having all the components. It also has a buzzer included. Coming to the components, this here is a Bluetooth module. You can see it. It has 5 pins. These pins says 5 volts, 5 volts, ground, a key, a transmitter and receiver. So yes, it's a 2.4 gigahertz frequency module. There's 2 LED indicators, yes, from here, and yeah, this is a PIR sensor, passive IR sensor. It does not emit any IR radiations, but it only listen to a certain amount of radiations which comes out of our body. That's the reason it detects all the temperature sensitive elements and differentiates with the previous image and tells whether there is a change in the image or not. So I have used this to protect my house from thieves. If someone tries to get in, this will detect. It has 3 pins. One is voltage, ground, another is key pin, which gets high when there is when there is a change in the ambient temperature. This here is a NOT gate. I have to use NOT gate because this gives a pulse of a negative, a positive pulse, but where I do require a negative trigger to pull down my Atmega series, Atmega controller. So here is a basic 741 IC, which is used in a basic negative direction, so it can use as a NOT gate. Here is a receiver. It is a RF receiver with a LED which shows transmission enable, power and all those 4 buttons. It also has a specific key to communicate with the receiver also, transmitter and receiver. So this is the pair, pretty handy. This is the keypad, nothing special, normal resistive button keys and a normal key holder to connect, and a basic motor, a 60 RPM motor. These are the components which were used in my earlier project of home security system. Thank you.